Good morning, everybody! I officially have 16 school days left until I graduate, which is terrifying. But I use that as motivation to get my day started, so let's do it. Today's video is sponsored by Frieda Frizz, which I'm so excited for. I already washed my face, so that's all done with. I do want to put on some moisturizer first, just so my skin is nice and hydrated. Put on some chapstick. Gotta have soft lips. Usually I'm one of those people who picks out their outfits the night before just because it's so stressful doing it the day of school, and it also saves me time in the morning, but I have not picked out an outfit yet. Obviously I'm filming this on a weekend, so I'm not actually going to school, but I'm going to choose something that I would wear to school.
Two things. Actually.
Here is an outfit that I actually would definitely wear to school, and I probably have. Just a graphic white t-shirt. I've been really into wearing belts for some reason, even if I don't necessarily need it. I just think it looks really cool. I'm wearing this black eyelet one that has silver detailing, and then everyone keeps asking where I get these shorts from, and they're just from a random store on Melrose Avenue. So if you ever find yourself in LA, that's where I get my shorts from. Okay, so for the hair, I usually fix up my hair before I do makeup just because I don't know if anyone else is like this, but even if my makeup's really good and my outfit's really good, if my hair is bad, I'm bad. Thankfully, I have Frieda Frizz to help me with this problem. As you can see, I have very thick hair. It's pretty frizzy. If I brush my hair, it will get super frizzy, so I normally don't brush my hair only after I shower, but once it's dry, if I brush it, it'll just get super big. I used to use their iconic Frizz serum that they made 30 years ago, but before that, women had nothing to do with their frizzy hair. They had nothing to help it. Thankfully, I was born in a time when I had products like theirs to help me with this. The whole Frieda Frizz line helps to enhance curls, smooth strands of hair, and it creates bouncy frizz-free waves that just look so good. My favorite thing is that the product eliminates flyaways and frizz, which I have a lot of, so that's really nice. For my hair, if I'm lazy, I'll just sleep with my hair in a low bun, and then it kind of gives me some waves. But if I wash my hair the night before like I did last night, then I'll have this right here, which is like my natural hair. It's not anything crazy, but I do like having soft natural curls, so that's what we're gonna do. The first product that I like to use is the Frieda Frizz Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner, because sometimes I like to use hot tools if I want my hair to look extra good. This spray does strengthen and protect against heat, which is really nice because I don't want to have damaged hair and let that sit in my hair a little bit before I curl it. They also have the Frieda Frizz Secret Weapon touch-up cream, so that's perfect. If your hair is already done and you want to touch up some flyaways or frizz, this is perfect. My hair isn't done yet, but you just put a little bit through your hair and it smooths the frizz in your hair instantly, which is so nice. Like what? For the actual hairstyling, I just like using a wand. I like it hot, so I put it to 410 degrees. To make it as natural as possible, I'm not trying to have any curls. I do take big chunks of hair so that the waves are big, and then I can kind of brush it out with my fingers after. This is what the hair turns out like, and then to finish it off, I use the Frieda Frizz Extra Strength 6 Effects Plus Serum. It looks like this. The packaging is so freaking cute. This is perfect for me because it's for thick and coarse hair, which I do have. I'm gonna put a little bit of that into my palm. It looks like that. And then I kind of just put it in my hand and run it through my hair. And as a special little accent to my hair, Hannah claims I've had these surgically implanted into my head because I wear them so much. They're just little clips that I put 2 in on each side, and I think it gives me very innocent vibes, and I love it. Make sure you guys shop the Frieda Frizz collection using the link in my video description. Now moving on to makeup. So for makeup, I either wear nothing at all or a decent amount of it. And I've said this before, but since senior year is coming to an end, I've kind of been trying a little harder recently. It's really interesting, and I don't think anyone really takes notice, but it's okay. It's for myself. Today I'm gonna do a natural look, but still cover up some of the ish that's going on my face. This process of my hair, makeup, and outfit usually takes me 10 minutes tops. It's just taking a little bit longer because I'm talking through it, but it does not take me very long to get ready in the morning because I like to maximize my sleep. That is my top priority. Because I do not get good sleep pretty much ever. I'm using a brightening eye cream underneath my eyes to kind of help and brighten. I don't even know if this does anything, honestly, but I still do it. Put on some deodorant. Pro tip to all you ladies out there, and even dudes too, please try and switch to natural deodorants because normal deodorants can have aluminum and just bad things inside of it. Everything kind of soaks into this area, and since it's so close to these, it's important that you use something natural because I want you guys to live long, and that was a really bad explanation of why I should use natural deodorant. But if you're gonna trust me on anything, trust me on that. I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer. This is not my shade at all, but we make it work. I'll usually use a sponge to blend it in, but I'm too lazy to get up and wet it, so we're using a brush. Then I use a colored powder because I don't like wearing foundation to school. Help keep my oil glands under control because I have very oily skin. It's gotten better, but it's still acting up sometimes, so I like to use powders for that. I don't know if you could tell, but when I came back from Coachella, I went ham with plucking my eyebrows because I hadn't for that whole weekend, and I messed it up, and now there's like a little indent right there, so we got some work to do. Oh, I'm getting a notification. Hi, Mom.
Is this the precious avajules?
Yes. I'm going in and adding some liquid blush. I think it looks a lot more natural and sun-kissed rather than if you use a normal powder blush. So I just kind of put that on my cheeks, and it looks like a lot, but it does blend in. Gonna add some of this glowy stuff. I don't know why, but I'm doing it kind of all over my face, and I just call it a day with that. I'm curling my non-existent eyelashes because most of them got ripped out when I had eyelash extensions, so that's unfortunate. This is all that I have left now. I usually don't wear mascara to school, but sometimes if it's a special occasion, I will. I don't know what kind of special occasion at school it would be, but I prefer not to wear mascara at school in case I cry. Who knows? I live on an island. There could be a surprise tsunami, and I don't want my mascara to budge, so I play it pretty safe. To finish off the makeup, for some reason, I've been liking lip gloss, and I just think it makes me look really cool. I was never really a lip gloss girl, but for some reason, now I am. Okay. So that is going to be it for this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I graduate very soon, so I'm trying to do as many high school videos as I can because I love doing them. I know you guys love watching them. Here is the final look. I love the way the hair turned out. I'm really obsessed with the whole clip thing. Again, thank you to John, Frieda, Frizz for sponsoring this video. I'm so happy that I got to work with them. If you stayed to this point in the video, first of all, you're amazing, and second of all, comment down below. Rose. I've been getting some recently. And here's today's bread babe of the week. You guys are amazing. I love you so much. That's gonna be it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Make sure you smile or be the reason someone else smiles. Stay in school. Stay happy.